Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We'll be using Pictory.ai, a fantastic AI tool, to create a unique YouTube video. But before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon so you never miss our content. Let's get started. First, let's talk a bit about Pictory.ai. It's a powerful AI platform that can generate stunning visuals and videos quickly and easily. It's a fantastic resource for content creators, and today, we'll explore its potential together. Step 1. Go to Pictory.ai's website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a wide range of AI-powered tools. Step 2. Let's create a new project. You can choose from various project types, such as image generation, video creation, and more. Step 3. Upload the content you want to use. You can provide images, videos, or even a script. In our case, we've prepared a script and some images to use. Step 4. Let Pictory.ai work its magic. The AI will analyze your content and generate visuals accordingly. This is where Pictory.ai truly shines. It can create visuals and videos that align with your content style. Step 5. Review the generated content. You can make edits, change styles, and tweak settings to match your vision. We are customizing our video style to make it uniquely ours. Step 6. Once you're satisfied, generate the final output. You can choose the resolution, format, and quality. And there you have it, a professionally created video in minutes. That's it. Using Pictory.ai, we have created an amazing video effortlessly. If you're a content creator, this tool is a game changer. Give it a try, and let your creativity run wild. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow content creators. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.